Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some important news for all you Ubuntu users out there. Let's dive right in. Canonical has announced that Ubuntu 23.10, also known as the Mantic Minotaur, will reach its end of life on July 11th, 2024. Now, what does this mean for you? Well, it means that after this date, Ubuntu 23.10 will no longer receive software and security updates from Canonical. So let's talk a bit about Ubuntu 23.10. This version was released on October 20th, 2023, and it came with some pretty cool features. It introduced the GNOME 45 desktop environment, which brought a lot of new visual and functional improvements. Plus, it was powered by the Linux 6.5 kernel series, which meant better hardware support and performance enhancements. However, Ubuntu 23.10 is an interim release, which means it's only supported for 9 months. After July 11th, Canonical will stop pushing updates, making your system vulnerable to security threats and attacks. It's really important to stay updated, especially when it comes to security. If you're still running Ubuntu 23.10 after its end-of-life date, you'll be exposed to all sorts of risks. So, what should you do? Well, Canonical is urging everyone to upgrade to a newer supported release as soon as possible. The recommended upgrade is to Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, dubbed the Noble Numbat. This is a long-term supported release, meaning it will receive updates for 5 years until May 31st, 2029. And if you want to extend that support, you can do so for up to 10 years until May 2034 with the free Ubuntu Pro subscription. Upgrading is pretty straightforward. You can use the Software and Updates utility, which actually shows you the end-of-life date from the moment you install Ubuntu. This helps you plan ahead and ensure your system stays secure. I'll remind you again next month on July 11th to upgrade if you haven't already. But honestly, I strongly recommend doing it as soon as you can. Staying on an unsupported version is just too risky, especially when the upgrade process is so simple. Remember, your system's security and performance depend on staying up to date with the latest releases. So don't delay. Upgrade to Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, Noble Numbat, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with long-term support. All right, that's all for today's update. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech news and tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.